Alright, unexpected adventure time. Can we go down? Yeah. Oh, it looks it. Can we go down to there?
From lonely days to faded nights, we really thought we knew. Why is it so hard to see when it's right in front of you? Don't let me down, I'm burning out, we're running out of time. I'm over it, but come over if you wanna change my mind.
Decades ago must be right.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, we are definitely off the beaten path, guided by our very own mountain goat. Yeah, so where did we come from? Alright, so we came from up there, which doesn't look like much, but I'm telling you, getting through those rocks is tough. Ooh. Haha. Check out that view right there. Almost at the glacial lakes. It's mossy. Ugh. Your boy's having trouble adjusting the white balance. All of this in pursuit of the elusive lake. Your boy's starting to sweat, even in the minus temperatures. That's how you know you're getting a good workout in. Always looks so close, but when you actually go towards it, it just doesn't. Oh shit, guys. I just dropped the camera. This is what happens when you buy a $700 camera and a $2 tripod. Don't cheap out on shit like I did. But it's working. I mean, there's a big bump on the casing that's around the lens. So it's not like going inside when you turn it off. But it's working. It's recording. I see the time. Oh. What the oh shit, sorry, no swearing. But look at this. Look where we came to. Like, we got to the lake, but look, there's such an easy trail right there. And we came all the way from like beyond that place.
That's what we call adventure, bro.
Adventure, yeah. We take the long hard way for no particular reason. Oh, look at that. Nice little rock ornament right there. You know, I can even use the tripod again because nothing broke from the tripod. Just this ball here.
Oh yeah, the ball.
Yeah, it's always the ball, isn't it? Amazing.
From lonely days to faded nights, we really thought we knew. Why is it so hard to see when it's right in front of you? Don't let me down, I'm burning out, we're running out of time. I'm over it, but come over if you wanna change my mind. Wanna stop, can't turn it off this time. You know what?
Hiking all the way up there. Worth it? Yeah?
So,
Glacier water. Oh, moment of truth. Oh. Yeah, it's good to clean my hands. I'm actually dirtying the lake by washing my hands on this. Tastes like the Tasman lake.
maybe it's a Tasman glacier over there.
Next up, we're hoping to hit the road a little bit, get to a point where you can see Mount Cook properly, because the sun was in our face the last time, and hopefully we are not too late. Yeah, so see you on the road.
Come back with me in time before we lost our minds. You know we can't rewind.
Alright, we have made it back to the car. We did a kind of run all the way back just to get the blood pumping, but I think it wore Prashant out. Yeah, we are ready for our reward. So, I mean, if you count the how do you call it, the detour that we took to come down to the Tasman Lake, we did 4 hikes in total in one day. So, I mean, they weren't the worst hikes in the world. I mean, the detour was quite tough for me.
I hurt my knee.
Yeah, and he
On the
hurt his
detour.
leg. Yeah.
Not my day.
He's like, yeah, so, yeah, we certainly are nursing the wounds of war. We just got one more stop left for our mission, which is we might be too late, but I don't know, maybe it's still possible, just to see if it's still possible to grab that Mount Cook pic. If that fails, we'll just do it tomorrow, so it's not a big deal. Yeah, and then we just go check in, and yeah, we'll be done for the day. Let's see what happens. Sorry. I'm just checking in. Last name Fazal.
Ah, that's right.
Yeah, that's me.
Perfect, awesome. So if you could just, if I could just grab photo ID from both of you guys.
Is the payment taken from the car?
Yes.
You want me to grab a bag for you? There we go. Automatic lights. There we go. Room review time. There you go. First we see yourself in the mirror. Hey. There we have the goat. Not in the good way. And alright, so let's start here. We got the bins, bedside table, even though it's spongy, so you can't really put anything in it. We got the bed number 1 and the bed number 2, which we're gonna share. Okay.
What?
We got the what light is this from? Control. Is anything? Anything? No? No. What's this? Oh shit. What have I done?
Did you?
just push this inside. No, but it's kind of, this thing kind of, it absorbs. Oh no, it's heated. Oh, okay. But we have a really good clothes hanger. This should come in handy actually. If you want to hang stuff. A couple of hangers here. But I like it. I like the decor. The wooden panels. Quite hardy. And the best part is the view. Yowie wowie, look at that. Amazing. I know it looks like we have a balcony here, but we don't. It's just in case of emergencies. Oh, Fred focuses. Oh, this focuses. There we
I have
go.
emergency.
Left my keys here.
Oh, I need to get the charger as well from the car. Behind me.
So that was. Oh, this lighting is amazing. Look at this. Look at this lighting. Amazing. It's giving me such a beautiful, glowing, golden complexion. That's the end of the room review. And yeah, I like looking like this because I think it looks good. That's the end of the room review. We're just going down to grab some of our food, maybe cook something, and then go for a walk around town. Village, really, village. See you then.
Come back with me in time before we lost our minds. You know we can't rewind, but come back with me in time. I sit around and think about the things I could have said.
It is time to turn in for the night. We had a very exciting day, more than I thought possible, and we are now exhausted. I still don't know if I'm gonna make this a 1-part or 2-part series, but really depends when I'm editing it. We did film quite a lot. We're gonna wake up early morning as soon as we can, and hopefully do another 2 hikes before we leave. Have a good night. Alright. We're gonna go to bed. I will see you in the morning. Until then, ciao.